And we are back here in the town center, and notice that there's not so much people. Yeah, very quiet. Yeah, mostly shops, they are closed already, but this fish and chip shop is still open. There is KFC there, and there is a McDonald's over there. I come back here because I have a video to upload. I already set up the table. In case you don't know, I don't drive when this is like this. I need to put it out. Good morning, guys. Today is September 8th. Yeah, and the time now is 6:59. I just woke up and I started to organize my things. My backpack will stay here, my water jug, and I'm moving back here in the front. Put this back a little bit and ready again for the trip. But I need to brush my teeth first. There's actually a toilet on that side. Oh, I forgot to pull down the window cover. The rain has stopped, and this is how it is here outside. Yeah, there's a little rain still, and you know, from time to time there are people jogging even though it's raining, and the water is really clear. But actually there is a warning on that side that there is kind of a toxic algae. Yeah, so the food are not safe to eat. There are crabs, oyster, and some fish. And we are now leaving the lake's entrance, and next stop is I don't know yet.
400 meters, leave the roundabout at the second exit and continue to follow Princess Highway.
But we're just getting through the Princess Highway. Oh, this is my first time here in what's this? Yeah, United 24. Yeah, petrol station. And they have this kind of unleaded plus ethanol. Oh, I initially didn't see the premium 98. So basically they have unleaded 91 and premium 98. And unleaded plus ethanol. Okay, I'll get the premium 98. Should be 95. Because I went to the line without 98. You know those dead wombat and dead koala along the way? Yeah, they looks like a teddy bear, but no good. I just saw a koala in the middle of the road, dead, and then a kangaroo on the side. Dead too. Oh, I reached this place. A Google Map bring me here. There's nothing here. There's just near to the water. Yeah, it's just like that. And this is how it is on the other side. I saw the town center, but the Google, actually not Google Map, but the GPS, yeah, brought me here. Okay, this is the name of the place is Port Albert. Yeah, and it's quiet here. Yeah, there's what, 3 cars. They are tourists also. And along the way, I don't see any people. Also, establishments are closed. Yeah, I don't know why. There are many houses. There is even this marina. But yeah, really no so much people. Where are the people here? Maybe in the school or I don't know. Okay, I'm going to eat first. So I still have this rice. I hope the rice is still good. I'm going to eat it inside the car because it is very windy and cold outside. And hopefully the rice is still good. I cooked it yesterday around 4 o'clock. Yeah, still good. Yeah, I grew up in the Philippines without refrigerator. So our rice usually lasts longer. Or the people, they will see me. There is actually one Toyota with a trailer. Yeah, it's like a caravan trailer. Rice, very satisfying for me. This tomato and onion tuna. So the taste is like sardines in the Philippines. I think this place is very busy on summer. Yeah, because they have this very big car park for the RV. Yeah, for the motorhomes. And actually it's free to park here. Just like that motorhomes coming now. Look at that. If I'm not saying, that's a koala. Yeah, it's a koala. Dead koala. And look at the mountain. The hills looks beautiful. Green. And we reached this place. The name of the place is Toora. And it's actually, there is a wind farm here. Yeah, there are 12 total of them around the area. They are everywhere. You can see this is the nearest one, the biggest one in front of me. And there are cows. And the place is green. Yeah, it's greenery. I mean, it's grassland. I mean, no, not grassland, but grass mountain, grassy hills. Yeah, looks beautiful in here. And yeah, it's just a little bit noisy. Not very noisy, but you can hear the sound. Yeah, I don't think it's going to noise the community. It's a very big help. Oh, look at that. Yeah, beautiful. Green grass of home. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. There are actually total of 12. And there are some cows, sheep. Yeah, along the grass area. And I understand that the wind turbine creates electricity. I've seen there that it creates 12,000 megawatts of electricity. Yeah, nothing specific that I know, but yeah, it creates electricity. So it's renewable energy, good for the environment. And that's it. We're going down now. It is their office. And if you look down there, yeah, there's the kind of a sea. Yeah, that's the area of Melbourne. It's still far from here. We are now in Melbourne, and I thought I'm going to sleep in Port Albert, but yeah, the internet is not there's no internet on the park where I stop, and there's no so much people also. And so I said I go to Melbourne, and yeah, we are now here. Yeah, it's a little bit yeah, normal actually to drive in the city. There is a little kind of worry about the traffic situation, you know, but yeah, if you know the basic, you're able to make it. And I am now in the center, in the city of Melbourne. I can see those buildings. There is like a stadium.
Vehicle ahead motion detected.
And tonight I'm going to stay in the hotel. Yeah, because my power station, my power bank, all of them runs out of battery. So it's just my phone that is yeah, 90%, and this camera has a battery because the battery charger of the GoPro has built-in power bank. And the GPS, yeah, brings me here in the Flinders Street station. Now I need to find the car park where I can find a place to stay for tonight. Oh, I'm looking for a toilet. Yeah, thanks God, there is one here. Okay. And now I need to look for a place to stay.